Oh, we are live. Let's go. I got to work. All right. Now I am focused. Wow, we're up 26% on MSTR, up 19% on Netflix, up 20% on silver here. Oh boy, I gotta turn the music off. Oh, I am already in trouble probably. Okay, now we're locked in. 30% on MSTR here. Bitcoin breaking out. Over 76K right now. Now we're over the 100 DMA, and I mean this is looking freaking beautiful right here. Looking at freaking beautiful here. Mm-hmm. How much? Yes. Um. Later. 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 Live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Live on YouTube. Well, let's not talk about. Okay. Uh, let's see here. Might be a good short forming right here. Might be a good short starting to form. I see the 65 minutes not confirmed any of the up move here. Upside move. I'm kind of watching Apple for potential short, honestly. It's not there yet. It kind of is. It's tempting to take some of these silver profits and look for the roll. We're up 24% here. Let's see here. Let's see if they give me 415 for my June contracts. I like this huge trend line break. I'm actually a little late to get into this. Let's move this screen up here. Actually, let's swap these. Swap these. Oh. Went ahead and took the silver profits. Are back testing this breakdown. I think this is where I want to try to feel out the short. As we're seeing some exhaustion here. So let's see if we get some follow through. I'm just looking for the orb high. Actually, a little bit above it. Honestly, this is where we've had previous back tests. See if we get a full breakdown. It's still a really strong market. It's still really difficult to short. But what makes this appealing is that one, we're still extending on the 15, and two, the 65-minute has not confirmed this rally, this continuation today. And we've had no substantial pullbacks despite making like a 5% move. So I'm just kind of on the hunt for it. I'm going to adjust this just a little bit, let it fully back test this a little bit. And I wasn't quite tight enough. And it goes straight to new high. That must be a headline. They reversed the 1 minute setup completely right there. They're still just eating up the market right now. My gosh. I want to try some Apple puts, but I wonder if it's too early. I might just want to give them lots of time. Let me look at the daily on here. I mean, this thing's setting up the short again, man. I gotta try this again. It might burn me a few more times. I set it over the high. 200 loss. Let's see if it fails the new high. I'll have to widen it out just a little bit. Looking for the same idea, looking for a breakdown here. Let's see if we can get it. This is your big support right here. On that previous one, we're plunging right through it. Okay. So, target is 779. Let's see if we get that. I can move my stop to break even here. I'd almost prefer this thing back test 800, but I wouldn't mind a waterfall. If it straight waterfalls through 85, I might look for the next target, which is 770, and I might drag my profits down a little bit, or just start trailing really tight. I mean, I can even start trailing here and make sure we at least make 240. But I think I want to be a little bit more patient than that. I'm not going to adjust it just yet. I could set it here at least in case it does something wild, which it has been prone to over the last 2 days. Just red massive spikes to the upside with all the FOMO. If we can get this 3-bar confirmation to the downside, I'm definitely going to adjust this to the 770. I'll even do it right now and just manually take profits if it starts to bounce aggressively on me. Okay, so now that we're kind of setting a new low here, this is where I can kind of make sure we make at least 235. This is where we're testing that. I want to see it plunge right through for the waterfall. And if we don't, it's still just moving really slowly. Okay. All right. All right. We're accelerating. Wonderful. So I'm going to adjust. I'm going to start writing this a little bit tighter. Make it at least 330. We almost hit that first target. So I'm going to take it there as it looks like it's back testing. 779 was the first target. We're in 1 point of it. So I wouldn't be surprised if this even thing just like wicked down just for a moment and then hit it. But for the YouTube stream, this is what I have on my other screen. I'm watching the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, and 65 minute all in tandem. And what I'm talking about on there is this EMA. And actually here, let me adjust this for Discord so they can also see. Let me see here, share screen, change stream, entire screen. I want this entire screen. So I'm watching this 1 minute EMA come back. We see the perfect back test there. We were 50 cents off. But that was what I was looking for, is the back test of this. It ended up defending. Now here is your resistance. So if this downside move is real, we should get a pretty fat rejection here. Oh, I'm getting a call from the wife. Okay, YouTube and members of the Discord. I'm going to have to step away for a few minutes, actually. Wife needs some help with the kiddo. However, before I go, watch this high right here and see if you can get the rejection. It's almost worth trying a short here and seeing this forms like an evening star and we get a continuation that actually touches the top of the orb. Apple looks like a top name for a short idea. It is failing the pre-market. I almost want to just go ahead and set this up. It doesn't look amazing on longer time frames, but it might turn into a nice scalp. Baba's top name on the day. It's sneaky. I don't think anyone's really paying attention to this one, and I locked in over 100% returns this morning, but I am watching it for a back test. If it rolls over with the market, with some of the profit taking the market here, look for 129 to defend. If 129 defends and buyers step in there, that could be a great point to try to take some 140s. But we're going to end the live stream a bit early. Sorry, everyone who was watching this live stream recording. Took me a bit longer to get it set up, but don't worry. We'll be live tomorrow morning as well. We'll do the first hour of the market open.